Ever dreamed of growing your own vegetables, herbs, or flowers right from the comfort of your home? Whether you're a gardening pro or just starting out, there's one thing every gardener knows: getting those seeds to sprout is the most crucial step. And let's be honest, it's not always easy. From inconsistent germination to flimsy trays that break after one use, the struggle is real. That's why having the right seed starting system is an absolute game changer for your gardening success. Enter the Burpee Super Seed Starting Tray, a must-have for anyone serious about growing strong, healthy plants. This 36-cell reusable tray is designed for one thing: germination success. Whether you're starting tomatoes for summer salads or fresh herbs for your kitchen, this tray does it all. Why is it one of the best? The cells are deeper than most, giving your seedlings room to develop robust roots. Plus, it's made from sturdy, reusable materials, so it's built to last season after season. And with proper drainage, you won't have to worry about overwatering or root rot. So, whether you're starting your gardening journey or taking it to the next level, the Burpee Super Seed Tray ensures your seeds get the perfect start. Because strong seedlings mean thriving plants and a garden you'll be proud of. Ready to take your garden to the next level? Check out the Burpee Super Seed Tray today. Your seeds will thank you.